Imagine a food that never goes bad. No expiration date, no spoilage, just eternal sweetness. Most foods rot within weeks, but honey defies time, staying fresh for centuries. Archaeologists found 3,000-year-old honey in Egyptian tombs, still perfectly edible. Archaeologists found 3,000-year-old honey in Egyptian tombs, still perfectly edible. Honey's secret: its low moisture and acidic pH create a natural preservative no bacteria can survive. So next time you drizzle honey, remember, you're tasting a food that outlasts civilizations. Honey pot.